Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix photos are not syncing to cloud in Samsung Galaxy A15. If you're using Galaxy A15 and you're facing the issue that your photos are not syncing to your cloud storage, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, I recommend you have to use a strongest and a stable network connection for this. And then you have to go to your settings app. The very first, go to apps. If you're using Samsung Cloud, so you just have to click on the start option, enable show system ads, click OK, now search for cloud, and you might get here a Samsung Cloud app. Once you are in Samsung Cloud app settings, just scroll down, go to storage, and once you are in storage settings, just click on clear cache. So it will clear all the cache in your app. Sometimes it might be that due to some errors or any junk files, your app cannot get backup of your photos or your videos. You have to clear cache. Once you have cleared cache, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not a fixed issue, go to gallery here, or you can also go ahead to your settings, go to connections, go to Wi-Fi, and here, once you are in Wi-Fi, just click on these three dots in the top right. Click on Advanced Settings here. Make sure that your sync with Samsung Cloud is enabled from here. Once I've enabled, you might see your account info here, like your Gmail here. Once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. Your photos and videos might be synced to your Samsung Cloud. But if you are still facing the same issue, so you can use OneDrive app to link with your Microsoft account. If you have Microsoft account, so you can easily log in with your account here, or you can also create a new account using this create new account button. And once you have done, your account will be created, and you can easily sync all your photos to your iCloud or your OneDrive cloud here. Then I'm not going to create my account here. Just click on the skip to my photos and click on this allow access to photos. Then click on allow and all your photos and videos will be synced here. You might see your gallery, your albums, and also you can see your files. You have to sign in to your Microsoft account to access more features. Just click on this account option, click on add account, and just add your Microsoft account here. Now, once I've added your Microsoft account, your data will be saved for your OneDrive cloud. Just go to gallery here, click on this menu, click on settings, and here you'll see a further feature to sync with OneDrive cloud. So you just have to enable that, and after that your issue will be fixed. Your data will be saved or synced to OneDrive. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.